The team identified customer needs via surveys and questionnaires and developed the following needs. The team then generated several concepts based on product function and user need. Then, concepts were ranked and one was ultimately chosen as the best solution to continue with the product development process. Our product replaces a traditional doorknob. It allows for delivery persons to scan a package's barcode, which contains a tracking number, to be matched with a tracking number input by the homeowner. If the tracking numbers match, the door unlocks for 8 seconds, allowing the package to be delivered. The user also maintains access to their home via key or button. Specifications were generated by translating user needs into engineering requirements and establishing quantitative metrics and marginal and ideal values for each requirement. Highlighted are 3 primary specifications further analyzed in the detailed design phase. Mathematical and analytical models were generated and applied during the detailed design phase of the product development process in order to meet significant specifications and choose final components for the product. At this phase in the product development process, specifications and necessary components could be integrated into the functional product design.
We have the main components. We have the back housing. We have the base plate with the batteries installed. We have the outer housing that'll be on the outside of the house with the barcode scanner installed and the key switch. We have the main control board with the servo motor hooked up. The base or the inside housing here has the switch that will connect to these connectors. Control board also has connectors here that'll connect to the battery, and then the servo motor here will then connect to the deadbolt mechanism right here. And then we have the nut that will then attach to the outer housing that will go through the door and through this base plate securing it.
Insert the outer housing through the door hole. Place interior base plate on the inside of the home. Screw on locking nut to secure base plate and exterior housing. Install the new deadbolt. The proper orientation is shown here. Then install the provided servo mount to the deadbolt. Ensure that the adapter is placed on the servo motor and install the servo onto the deadbolt. To install the inner housing button, connect the red and black wires to the corresponding terminal wires off the microcontroller. Finally, secure the inside housing cover by installing 2 screws on the top and bottom. The user can input their tracking number via a user-friendly application and send it to the device.
Hey, get away from my house!
Stupid burglars.